Hello class, hope you're enjoying yourself so far. Here we are at week 4, so we're taking where we left off on week 3. We're talking a little bit about colonization and impacts of colonization, and we're pushing it a little forward in time, and we're talking mostly about federal Indian policy at in this country. As well, we're talking about the doctrine of discovery, which we've mentioned last week. There was also a video there last week for you, so you can watch that. And last, when we talk about these words, acculturation and assimilation, those are words you should try to nail down and have a good understanding of, because that's what we were talking about in terms of the relationship between Native peoples of North America, and especially of Native America, and the federal government. We were talking about, we have a reading from Luther Standing Bear about his experiences at Indian boarding school. So these are your main readings this week. As well, you guys have a few videos. The one-word reservation. It's interesting to hear what some Native folks from this country think of that word. A little spot from BBC News. That's okay. BBC is pretty legit, so it's okay. And then last, the one I really like because it ends on a positive note. It's a documentary on today's young Native Americans. And I like to show this because being a Native American is not a monolithic experience. As a matter of fact, a lot of these people feel very differently about lots of things, and it's important for us to see them as people, right? A lot of you made that wonderful note in your last week's participation that the Black Elk reading really humanizes the Native people in the story, in this case Lakota, and I think that that's an important thing for us to do. So, happy reading and good luck this week.